Hello guys, and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're going to be looking at the Easy C LoVision playing cards. Now for some reason I've just stood here, everything's been set up, and I've just sat here and took the plastic off of them before I even started the video, which doesn't make sense because usually I'll show you with it in the packaging. No idea why, but we can get in there quicker I suppose. I've not broken the seal yet, I've literally just peeled the plastic off. So we'll get this open and get them ready, and then we'll buggered it a little bit there. Not to worry, not the end of the world. What the What the f***'s happened here? Excuse my language. What the hell? Not very good. This is like 4 cards all stuck together. Should have kept them sealed. It would look good in the collection, but I don't even know how that's happened. Because you've got, obviously, the colours here. There's no reason there should be black ink all over these. And I mean, these are all clumped together. But I'm going to continue with the review as if it's not just ruined my day. But I've literally just taken the plastic off that. And there's no damage to the outside. It's all inside. So this has got to be an error from them. Which sucks a little bit. Well, it sucks a lot actually. It's kind of annoyed me. Oh man. We'll continue anyway. So we've got the colour code for LoVision players. Large suit symbols. Large numbers. Brilliant. I like the way it says the colours here as well, because if you're colour blind, you might not necessarily know which colour that's supposed to be. Joker's very cool. I actually like that a lot. Ace of Spades, pretty cool. Yeah, these are pretty massive. I mean, there's no way of getting these wrong, is there? I mean, this is like when you buy your grandparents one of those mobile phones or a house phone and the buttons are like this big. I really like it. I'm so annoyed it was packed damage. I don't know how that's happened, to be honest. I mean, standard backs. Oh, I'm fuming. I don't really want to continue the review. Yeah, it's a shame. I'm impressed with the cards. I think they'll be very good for the elderly, disabled, people that want to play cards but have bad vision. I'm all for it. I think it's a really, really good idea. Helps people. I mean, it doesn't have to be elderly or disabled. You know, people just within hit with eyesight impairment. Even if you left your reading glasses at home. Perfect. But I'm just too annoyed about this there's no point doing it really, is there? I've got another pack. I might crack them open at another time, but a bit disappointed really. Shame. Take care guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something that isn't damaged.